Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making these simple cookies with just 3 ingredients. Your normal everyday ingredients you already have at home. This cookie is very easy to make and it takes less than 5 minutes. Join me, let's make it together. We will start by adding 200 grams of soft butter into a bowl. If your butter is not soft, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Mix for a bit just to break up the lumps. Next, we add 1 cup of icing sugar, that is 130 grams. Mix to become creamy. You can use hand mixer for this if you prefer. After that, we add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 360 grams. Mix very well until a soft dough is formed. You can use your hand for this, it's way easier. After that, we sprinkle some flour on a work surface and transfer the dough to it. Next, we will roll out the dough using a rolling pin. Next, we will cut the dough using circle cookie cutter. After that, we'll take out the excess dough and set aside. Next, we'll make some incisions on the cookie cutouts. At this point, you can choose to make any design of your choice, but this is the design I'll be going for today. After the incisions, take a small spoon and make a hole in the middle and add a piece of chocolate. You can totally skip the chocolate if you prefer. Repeat the process for the rest of the cookie cutouts. After that, transfer to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, allow the cookies to cool down completely. Store this cookie in an airtight container for it to last longer for you. Please, I would really appreciate it if you could kindly support my channel by subscribing, commenting and liking, and also sharing the video to your loved ones. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this recipe at home, and I would also love to read about your questions, about your suggestions, and about your recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.